Geneva now, and already skating her program is 16-year-old Beatrix Schuber of Austria. She was third at the end of the school figures. But the story of her career so far is that she's much stronger in the school figures than in the free skating.
That's easy to see, Jim. As she skates, she just doesn't have the power and strength that, for example, either Saprik or Moskova have, nor does she have the disguised strength of a Peggy Fleming.
By the way, the marks for Gabrielle Zeitler were 5.7s, 5.8s, and 5.9s. She had a total of 4 5.9s among the two sets of marks. Schuber here being very closely pressed for the bronze medal, remember, by Hanna Moskova, who's already skated.
Now first the double left. Hanna gets it. With the way Hanna Moskova gave the double salchow out.
Beatrix Schuber of Austria trying valiantly to hold on to third place and a bronze medal here in the World Championship.